Tennessee homeowners, did you know that Tennessee is actually in the earthquake zone? On the west side of Tennessee, there is a little known fault line called New Madrid, which experienced some earthquakes in December just gone. Super small, but geologists say that in the next 50 years, there is a 40% chance that there will be an earthquake with a magnitude of 7 or higher, which is obviously significant. Now, in terms of homeowners insurance, if your home is damaged in an earthquake and you live in an earthquake zone, which we do, you will not be covered under your standard homeowners policy. You will need to get a separate policy which covers earthquakes, and it's not cheap. It's only, I got a quote recently, and it's only a little bit less than my standard homeowners insurance. But if you want coverage in the event of an earthquake, you may want to consider it.